So today I'm going to show you how to take off this old dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher like this or any kind of dishwasher, they always have mounting screws, as you see pointed with the arrows right there. I had 3 mounting screws on top, so I just loosened them up, and the dishwasher came loose. So and I had 4 more on the bottom of the dishwasher. This particular dishwasher had a cover, as you can see, on the bottom piece. So I had to remove 4 screws on the bottom, 1 right there, 1 there, and 2 on top of the small cover. And then you have those 3 on top. All right. I mean, once you get all the screws out that is holding the washer up, you pretty much will get it out. But you want to make sure you turn off the valve, though, the water coming in to the dishwasher. Locate it and then shut it down like so. In my case, I found this right there. It's usually close to the sink and going to the right or left depending on the location of your dishwasher. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen up the mounting screw. Matter of fact, take them all out. This happened to be an easy one. I just took a Phillips head and turned it, and the screws started coming down. So I took all the screws off. Once you get the screws out, your life gets much easier from there. Then you're ready to take it out, and the excitement of putting in the new washer kicks in. So we took our first screw out. We're going to go ahead and take the second one out. I mean, this job is, if you already had a washer, it shouldn't be a problem. Make sure when you order a new washer, you get the right size. You don't want to get it over, you don't want to get a bigger size. Not because your electricity or your drain can't handle. Most washers, they can. Most drain system and most electrical wiring can handle a bigger size washer. However, if you have one like mine under the counter, the space is limited because it's already installed. The cabinets are in place. You don't want to order anything bigger than what you already have because it won't fit. It's kind of obvious to state, but some people forget to measure and just order because whether the price is good or the washer that they found is great. Then you bring it home. Next thing you know, you gotta move the cabinetry and everything else, and the job gets bigger than it needs to be. So this is the bottom screw. This is the first bottom screw that I'm taking off. It also has a black cover over there that covers up the bottom of the dishwasher. So I just want to show you. It's kind of hard to get to, but it's not impossible. So if you have the right screwdriver, you could take it off. And this one, I believe this washer looks about 25, 30 years old. I could be wrong, but that's just my estimate. It doesn't matter. The washer works, but recently I started noticing, the water is leaking out the seal. But it's amazing. I prefer the old washer, but it's time to go. But believe it or not, this washer still works. I just want something new, and I don't feel like replacing the seal. That's all it needs, a seal. Just time for a new washer. That's all. But back in the days, they used to make these things, that actually lasted. And this one wanted to go another 20 years. I said, it's time to get a new one, because it, new features, new washers, new technology is always useful. So this is the 4th screw from the bottom, but every dishwasher is different. If you happen to have exactly like the one I have right here, then you're going to experience the same. But some washers have 2, some don't, some have 3. So look at the instruction for your new washer and look out for these, mounting screws. Very easy to take. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing out right there. It's just there to cover so that nothing from your kitchen floor goes in underneath, or, it looks nice too. It's covered and everything. Next thing I'm going to do is, you see those, I don't know if you could see those connection, the supply connection, the drain connection. I'm going to disconnect it while I have it right here. It's not going to be 100% easy, but with some effort, I should be able to do it. I don't see a problem. But right here, I want to show you. This is the supply right there, and then I have the electrical supply coming in, which I'm not going to touch right now because the outlet is behind the washer. I don't want to do a live electric. If you want to turn off the circuit breaker and then work on it, but I would rather unplug. And then you have the drain right there, which is going to come off soon. I'm going to take it out. It looks like it's easy to do because I could see a Phillips head screw holding in the drain. So before you do all of that, please make sure the washer doesn't have any water in there, because once you take the drain hose out, you will have water pouring out. In my case, I'm expecting some water to pour out, because remember, the hose is going to have some water in there, because I did use this washer before. So I'm not expecting anything big, but because I drained most of it out anyways. So like, I'm sure you could see some water. It's not much. You want to be careful. Remember, you turn the circuit breaker off, and I hope I turned the right one off. But then again, you never know. So treat all electrical equipment live all the time and respect it. So these footing right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to they're extended at the moment. I'm going to retrieve them, because this dishwasher was put in place before the new flooring. So over the years, the previous owner had put the flooring, and so I had to retrieve the legs, if you want to say it, so that I could slide it out. So you have the outlet right there. Right there, there's an outlet behind the washer. If you happen to have it like that, that's great. I'm just gonna unplug it right there. So we are off to a new start. I already have my drain system there. I already have supply there. But being that I took it out, and a washer, I'm expecting a new washer that you see in this box to last long. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace the inlet, the supply, and I'm going to replace it with a new outlet, new electrical wire. And at the same time, I believe this washer is supposed to come with a new drain hose, which is going to be perfect. So I have these three, the drain and the two supply, electric and the water supply, all brand new. So you want to make sure you have this blanket, the insulation on top, because remember, the dishwasher have heating system as well. It heats up your water. You don't want too much heat to escape into your house. If it's the summertime, you're not going to be comfortable in the kitchen. And at the same time, you want the dishwasher to retain the heat inside, so that it could do the job it's designed to do. I know. So as you see me unpackaging this particular dishwasher, it's a GE. I don't know what brand you're thinking about buying and which brand you are working on or you already have. It's completely up to you. Every package is going to be different. I show you because I wanted to give you an idea. This video is intended for learning purpose only. So I did some electrical connection here already. They don't come. This particular dishwasher did not come with the outlet. With the extension cord. So I had done that already, and it came with the supply. This particular one right here has a plastic water supply that connects to. You want to start off with the with your hand first, because you don't want to risk the plastic getting stripped out and everything. And this is the drain right there. And I have this electrical wire which I'm going to connect. I've already made the connection, which is very simple to do. You follow instructions. It's color coded, no big deal. I generally say that, make sure you're a licensed electrician and whatnot. But this job is so simple. I feel you could do it. But please, if you're not sure, do more research. Ask the electrician. Get help if you need it. Yeah, before you start any project, make sure you know what you're doing. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with family and friends if you find this video useful. Thank you.